All right, today, folks, we are going to make some fried shrimp po' boys. Now, I've got about a pound here of some shrimp. They are already deshelled, deveined, ready to go. We're going to go ahead and get these marinating in 2 tablespoons of Louisiana hot sauce and 2 tablespoons of mustard. Once you have that added, go ahead and mix it up. Once all of that is mixed up, go ahead and set it back in your refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. While the shrimp are marinating in the refrigerator, we're going to go ahead and start on our dry batter. We're going to have a cup of flour, a cup of cornmeal. This is going to give it some texture. 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning, a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, and half a tablespoon of salt. Once again, that was a cup of all-purpose flour, cup of cornmeal, 2 tablespoons of Old Bay, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of garlic. Now we're going to whisk all this together. All of that has been whisked together, and that will be our breading. Alright, so I've pulled my pot out with oil. We're going to go ahead and get that heated up to around 350, maybe 360. And then, over here, we're going to need a wet station. So we're going to grab 2 eggs. Go ahead and crack them in there. Add a little buttermilk to it. It's going to be some good groceries. So, got the eggs and buttermilk mixed together, and to that, we're going to add a little Louisiana. Alright, while we wait for our oil to continue heating up, we're going to go ahead and get our shrimp breaded. So we're going to go from this bowl into the breading, into the egg mixture, back into the breading, and then we'll set it here on the rack. Alright, here go our shrimp all battered up. Our oil is around 375, 380. That's good enough. Let's go ahead and get these frying. It should only take a couple of minutes. These are frying up really nicely. First little small batch is done. Those look beautiful. Okay, while we continue to fry up these shrimp, we're going to go ahead and make the Ramelod sauce for it. We got 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, about 3 tablespoons of brown mustard, a tablespoon of sriracha. Where's the minced garlic? A tablespoon of minced garlic, onion powder, garlic powder, a little slap your mama, some paprika, some Louisiana sauce, and a dash of pickle juice to taste. Last batch of shrimp are frying up, and our Ramelod sauce is made. So for our bread, we're going to be using this Italian loaf. This was a fantastic deal at Walmart. It's their fresh baked bread for $1. I couldn't pass that up. That's going to make for a good po' boy bread. Alright, so I took about half of that loaf and then halved it and then sliced it down the middle so we can make a pocket. Now I'm going to put these under the broiler for just a few minutes and crisp up the outsides. Okay, our bread has been toasted. The shrimp are ready. We've got all the fixings. The shredded lettuce, fresh tomatoes, pickle slices, and the sauce. Let's get this thing built. I put Ramelod on both sides of the bread. Then I put a layer of tomato with some salt and pepper, shredded lettuce, Mount Olive kosher dill slices, and stack as many shrimp as you can on it. And there you have it, folks. It's all put together. This is currently on the outside of me. It needs to be on the inside of me. If you've enjoyed the content, by all means, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment. While you're at it, hit the bell icon so you receive notifications every single time I make an upload. This is Cooking with Tatted, and have a good one.